These are dominoes. You'll notice that each domino has two sides in which you see dots, and these dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make numbers. In this case, I'm going to make a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number, and I'm going to multiply them together. So I'm going to take this domino and this domino and this one. I'm going to set the rest aside. Now, if I put this together, I have 4 different digits, 8, 3, 7, and 9 that I can work with to make my 3-digit number, and then I can use this for my 2-digit number. So what I'm going to do is my 3-digit number, I'm going to start with the 3 in the hundreds place. Then I want the 8 in the tens, and I want the 9 in the ones. And then I can multiply it by 24 or 42. I'm going to do 42. So I've been careful to line up all my digits in the proper place value. Now, before I find the actual product, what I'm going to do is round these numbers, and I'm going to multiply those rounded numbers to get an estimated product. So 389, I'm going to round that up to 400. And 42, I'm going to round that down to 40. So I know that I'm in the thousands, and 4 times 4 is 16. So my estimated product is 16,000. Now I'm going to find the actual product. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 more is 7. So right now I'm at 778. Now, because I'm multiplying 4 tens, I'm going to put the 0 there. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 3 more is 35. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 more is 15. Now I'll add these up. And so my actual product that I figured here is 16,338. So when I take a look at this and I take a look at my estimated product, 16,338 and 16,000, those are pretty close. So that tells me that this product is a very reasonable one. And here's one way in which I can use the dominoes to make numbers that I can multiply together and check the reasonableness of my product to an estimated product.